as you can see, the golf cart burns oil pretty good. It is a 4-stroke motor. So I got some of this FHS smokeless motor oil. This is designed to not produce smoke as it burns. So I got some of this. Let's get this in the shop and drain the old oil, change the filter, put some of that new FHS oil in there, and let's see if it's going to still smoke or not. Old oil is draining out. Now let's get the filter off. Get the old oil filter off of here. New filter going on. Okay, let's fill it back up with oil. Alright, let's fill it up with FHS oil. This golf cart motor takes 36 ounces with a new filter. Each one of these is 32 ounces, so take a full one and then 4 ounces of another one. And this motor uses 10W30 weight, which is what this is. And they do sell this in different weights for whatever your motor takes. And this is clear. And here's the second one. We'll get like 4 ounces of this in there. About right there should be 4 ounces. And then we'll check it. And it's full. Alright. Let's go take it for a drive and see if it's going to smoke. Alright, as you can see, it is no longer blowing smoke out. Got smoke coming off the exhaust. But anyway, this stuff works. FHS smokeless motor oil. There's where you can get a hold of them at, and I'll also have a link in the description of where you can get some of this. And this is 10W30. They do have different weights. Has directions for how to do it. So there you go. If you want your motor to stop burning oil, well, it's still going to burn oil. It's just not going to be making smoke. So if you want to extend the life before you have to do any rebuilding, get you some of that.